And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have here a couple of lamb chops. This one happened to be from the shoulder, but any lamb chop will do. Look at this beauty. And what I'm going to need is, I'm going to need some salt. You can have pepper too if you want to, but I won't this time around. I say about one third of three quarter of a cup of mushrooms. What kind of mushroom is up to you. This is different types. One tomato chop. I have about 6 teeth of garlic, which I smash so the juices come out. A couple of shallots, which I clean and cut in half. Some rosemary. I put a little bit of water on it. I have a few leaves of mint. Some thyme. This one is fresh. And I have some mint sauce that I created myself. Link in the description. Doesn't take you more than 3 or 4 minutes to put together. I also have about half a cup of red wine, drinking wine. If you cannot drink it, don't cook with it. And I have some butter, a little bit of butter, and extra virgin olive oil. So I have a small cast iron. You can use any type of pan. A little bit deep, by the way, a little bit deep. Preheating, medium high, put your butter. And start melting the butter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to saute the mushrooms. Just a little saute, couple minutes. Giving some color and buttery flavor. So I have a larger cast iron pan. This one has to be oven friendly, by the way. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, preheating, and I'm going to start putting in the lamb chops, which I already put salt on, a little bit salt on both sides. No need to video that part. What you're going to do, you're going to give it some color. So about a minute on one side, flip it, do the same on the other side. It's about a minute to 90 seconds each side. Then put them to rest. Turn the pan off. Preheat the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So using, now that I have cooled down somewhat, the same cast iron, I scrape it a little bit, not too hard, just to get some of that lamb stuff out. Not out, but move around. What I'm going to do, remember, the stove is off, it's been off. So I'm going to add the wine. So this baby is going to go to the oven, which I already preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also going to add the tomatoes. So I'm getting this prep, you know what I mean? I'm going to add, actually let me put the meat there now. So I can get it to fit. What I'm going to do is add this other stuff too. Some of the garlic. aromatics and flavor. You can add the mushrooms. You can fit them anywhere, way you want. It's up to you. Around and aside. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this baby cook. So it's been about 15 minutes. And it's critical that this wine alcohol dissolve. That's what I have it for 15. But now I'm going to put the thyme, some of the mint leaf, and clearly some of the rosemary. Because what I want is, I want to create the aromatics necessary for this delicious meal. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. You can serve it with white rice. You can serve it with mashed potatoes. Or you can serve it with polenta. Which one I'm going to choose? Stay tuned. So I choose polenta. And I'm going to make a bed